This isn't just a truck. This is the closest thing to a race car you can legally drive to work. Stay with me for the next 2 minutes because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the 2026 Ford Raptor R is breaking the internet right now. Look at this stance, look at that grille. This is the Raptor R, Ford's most brutal, most unhinged pickup truck ever built. And no, that's not a typo. This thing doesn't just look aggressive, it is aggressive, from the wheels to the engine bay. But here's the thing most people get wrong about this truck. Under that hood sits a supercharged 5.2-litre V8, borrowed straight from the Shelby GT 500. We're talking over 720 horsepower in a full-size pickup truck. That's not a rumor, that's not a rendering, that's real factory-built horsepower designed to obliterate desert terrain at triple-digit speeds. And if you think that number sounds insane, wait until you hear what it sounds like. Every inch of this truck is engineered for one purpose: dominance. The widened fenders aren't for looks. They house 37-inch off-road tires built to survive Baja-style punishment. The blacked-out badging, the aggressive front bumper, the raised hood scoop, none of it is decoration. It's function disguised as fashion. This is what happens when Ford stops asking, how fast can it go? And starts asking, how fast can it survive going? Now, imagine sitting behind that wheel, the rumble of the V8 at idle, the suspension that swallows bumps like they're nothing, the confidence of knowing this machine can go places most vehicles wouldn't dare. This isn't a truck you drive, it's a truck you command. But here's what nobody's talking about. The real reason this truck matters isn't the horsepower or the price tag or even the looks. It's what it represents. The last era of raw, unapologetic, gas-guzzling performance before everything goes electric. This might be one of the final trucks like this Ford ever builds, and that changes everything. Hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down the truck that Ford built specifically to compete with this monster. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you in the next one. So, would you daily drive something this wild, or is this strictly a weekend beast? Drop your answer in the comments because I read every single one. And if this video got your heart racing even a little,